In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Shopify step by step. Shopify is a fantastic platform that can help get your online store up and running in no time. Whether you're a complete newbie or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and take your first step towards creating your online store. The very first thing you want to do is go to Shopify's website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This step is crucial for both new users who need to create an account and existing users who want to log into their dashboard. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to type in your highlight. This could be an email or a username associated with your Shopify account. If you're a new user, you might want to select the option to continue with an email to start the process of setting up your account. Shopify also offers other ways to sign in, like using a Google account. If that's more convenient for you, simply choose an account you'd like to use for Shopify. This helps streamline the login process by linking your Shopify store to an existing Google account. Next, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage as an authenticated user. From here, look for the My Store option. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Once you're in, it's time to get down to business by clicking on Products. This is where you can add, edit, or remove the products you want to sell. When adding a product, you'll see the Add Product button. Clicking on it opens up a new page where you can input your product details such as name, price, and description. But before a product can go live, you'll want to make sure your store looks appealing. Navigate back to your Shopify admin panel and click on Online Store. Here, themes can play a massive role in transforming your store's look. Select Import Theme to start customizing the aesthetic of your online store to match your brand. Once your theme is set, it's time to organize your site. You'll see an option to click on Pages. This is where you can add different pages to your site, like About Us, Contact, or any custom page you want to create. Specifically, clicking on Contact allows you to add a contact form to your website, making it easy for customers to reach out. Another critical aspect of making your store user-friendly is navigation. Look for the navigation option in your Shopify dashboard. This section allows you to customize your menu, including your site's main menu and footer. The main menu is usually what your customers use to navigate your store, while the footer menu often contains links to your policies and contact page. Speaking of policies, click on Settings, then Find and click on Policies. This area is incredibly important. Transparency with your shipping, returns, and privacy policies can significantly affect customer trust and satisfaction. Aside from policies, you'll want to set up your payments through the settings. This enables you to receive payments from customers when they make a purchase. Another crucial setting is shipping and delivery, where you define how your products are shipped to your customers. Remember, providing clear, concise shipping information can significantly enhance the customer experience. Then consider exploring markets. This setting allows you to tailor your store to different regions and currencies, an excellent feature for stores serving customers globally. Lastly, don't forget about domains. Your domain name is your identity on the web. It's how customers find you. Shopify offers the option to purchase a domain directly through the platform, which can make the setup process smoother. And there you have it, a concise guide to getting started with Shopify. Remember, the key to success is experimentation and learning as you go. So dive in, start exploring, and watch as your online store comes to life. Thank you for joining me today, and I wish you the best of luck on your Shopify journey.